Hi guys, in this tutorial video I am going to show you how you can upload a YouTube video for the first time. Very easy and simple. Let's jump to YouTube app first. So when you're at YouTube, like any other new social media, you will have at the lower center of the screen a plus sign. This is where you click and you start uploading the content that you want to publish. So now let's hit the plus sign over here. When you hit the plus sign, we are capable to pick up a video that we want to upload. Let's select this one. So after we pick up our video, the first thing that you want to pay attention to is that you want to upload a thumbnail. How are you going to do that? If you look at the top left corner, you have a small icon that has like a plus sign with an image. You want to click on this icon over here, and then you have an option to upload a thumbnail. Let's pick this one. Thumbnail has to be positioned horizontally. This means that has to be in the position of 90/20 ATP. So in this particular case, you could see that we're filling up all the gaps from corner to corner and we're having a high definition thumbnail. Pro tip over here is that YouTube algorithm will most likely recommend channels with higher quality videos, higher quality pictures as thumbnails. So you want to make sure that the content quality is the highest that you could possibly produce. I'm not saying that you should have a professional gear, but everything that you could choose and you have around yourself that will make your content better, use it. After we upload the video and we choose our thumbnail, we want to write our title. So you can go about short title that is very niche down. For example, how to create a YouTube video, right? Very niche down, versus how to upload a video online, right? Much more generic, versus the niche down, how to upload video in particular on YouTube. So in our case, we're going to go for more generic one simply because we are targeting greater audience. So how to upload video online, right? You can put a question mark as well. Then you have an option to add description. This is where you can essentially add 2, 3, 4 sentences at the very first line, explaining what is the video about, helping the algorithm to identify the perfect audience for the video. After we include the description, you want to go down and you see we have a visibility check. This is where you can choose how the video will be published. Is it going to be private? Is it going to be unlisted? Unlisted means that only people who have the link. So when you upload the video, there's a share button on top where you can generate the link. You can share the link to the other people, and no one else on the platform who doesn't have the link will be able to see the video. Or you can simply publish it as a public video. There is a fourth option in which you can actually schedule it. When you click on schedule, you have the option to select the time frame, the month, the day, the part of the day, AM, PM, and you can also set the video as a premiere, right? This could generate more people to sign up and get notified when the video gets live, right? But this is much more advanced settings. Then you also want to focus on the location over here. You want to pick up your location. The next part is if you have a different type of content that is uploaded on your channel. For example, you have one video for tips for online video uploading. You have more tips for like e-commerce, different sorts and categories. It's always good to create a playlist. This is where you can create your own playlist, right? And you can simply upload every video to the particular playlist. This will simply help people to watch more videos that are from the same topic. This will increase the view duration and the time spent on your channel overall. Last but not least, you can essentially turn the comments off if you don't want people to comment. This is something some people are choosing to do. Next option, very simple, will be to click next, and the video will start uploading. After the video is uploaded, you will have automatic checks from the YouTube algorithm, and then usually it takes around 10 minutes to see the final process. then the video will get live. This is how simple it is to upload a video on YouTube in 2024. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.